Okay, and how long have you been coming to our office?
It's about 6 weeks now, almost 2 months.
Okay, and can you tell me what were your health conditions prior to seeing Dr. Bryan?
Well, I had general fatigue and a lot of stiffness in my back and my neck, and I had a limited range of motion in my neck.
Okay.
It was pretty uncomfortable.
And mine was pretty much back tenderness and soreness, and as a result, just decreased energy. Based on, I felt like I should have been more energized because of the exercise and the way we eat, but it just wasn't all there.
Okay. And Colin? And what about
And
Colin?
Colin, what we noticed with him is this is his first year of kindergarten, a full day of school, and he goes to a pretty rigid little program. It's a Christian Oak school, and the beginning of this year he was having some issues, or just general inattentiveness in class, not focusing as much. And I'm thinking, well, for a 5-year-old, as much as a 5-year-old boy can focus doing his seat work. But since he has been coming, and I said, this might be a coincidence, and your husband laughed. Dr. Bryan laughed, but he said, I don't think it's a coincidence. Since Colin has been coming, we noticed a definite improvement. He's finishing all his seat work. He's coming home with many more stickers, especially over the last month, for behavior, good behavior, and also awards, like for finishing his seat work, and what else? And just good behavior awards. So we're proud of him. And so we kind of figured that it must have been something to do with his alignment.
That's great. And what treatments or medications did you try before coming to our office?
Well, we tend to eat pretty well and try to exercise regularly. I really didn't do anything other than take a nap once a day, but that isn't really a long-term solution. So I really didn't try a whole lot. But other than exercise, I guess that's probably about it.
Yeah, and a vitamin herbal regime, trying all different kinds of things. I'm a nutritionist by trade, so I tend to dabble and do research and use myself as a guinea pig for trying out different things. So anyway, and I have not felt better, probably in the last year. So
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. And what other changes have occurred since beginning to see Dr. Bryan?
A lot more energy.
Sure.
Much better range of motion and a lot more flexibility in my back and my neck.
You don't spill your coffee anymore because you're not crooked.
I'm not crooked. And I've noticed improved digestion, which I didn't realize that my digestion needed improvement, but it has improved. So.
And for me, pretty much, not all of that, but just I don't wake up sore in the morning or as sore. Very minimal, and definitely increased energy. So, which is all wonderful. So.
Great. Okay. And would you recommend Class Family Chiropractic and chiropractic care for your loved ones?
Absolutely, without a doubt.
Yeah, I've already recommended Dr. Bryan to 2 of my colleagues at work. Yes, definitely.
And I've talked it up with some of the moms that I run into, because one has a son with behavioral, like the label, the ADHD, and she is trying, all the traditional medications, which I'm so opposed of, but some people are hard to change, and especially, when you're raised in a certain way, and everything has always been this way, but and we're still trying to talk some moms into bringing their little ones over, just because I really believe that it's so much healthier for them.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys.